Hello, I'm Nate. Today I'm going to introduce you a vending machine specially designed for medicine. This is the machine. Opening the machine door, we will find the slot is specially designed for medicine box. All kinds of medicine box can fit into the slot. The medicine will drop from the slot after payment confirmed. At the bottom of the machine, there is a conveyor belt. It will deliver the medicine box to the pickup place. It will be the great solution to sell medicine. If you are interested in this vending machine, please contact us for more information.